Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cash out your cryptocurrency using Zengo. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure to log in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this interface. Now, in order to withdraw money, here you can see the arrow icon at the bottom, tap on it. Select the option Sell. You can exchange the cryptocurrency in your wallet to the local currency. So choose your preferred wallet over here. I will choose Banza for now. Now it will prompt you to the sell screen where you can enter the amount you want to cash out. Now enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. And right below that, it will show its equivalent value in your local currency. You can even change your currency from this drop-down list. Here you can select your preferred currency. The payment method is bank transfer. You can follow the instructions to link your bank account if you haven't already. And once you check everything, tap on Create Order button. Now it will verify your details, so enter your email address and select the country of your residence. Now tap on Submit button. You will receive a verification code in your email. Open your email and paste the code over here. Now you need to enter your billing details over here. Provide your name, your last name, your address, and your date of birth. Once you enter all the details, tap on Submit. In this page, you need to provide your identity documents. You can choose the type of your document. You can select either ID card, passport, your resident permit, or your driver license. I'll select passport for now. Here you can see the upload option. Tap on it and select the file from your device. Now tap on Next. Provide your selfie. Once it is done, tap on Next. This can take few minutes, and here are some additional questions. You can just go through this and provide your answers accordingly. Once done, tap on Continue. And here you need to enter the details of your bank account where you want to cash out. Provide your bank account name, your bank account number, and once you enter your details, tap on the Submit Bank Details. You will receive a notification once the transaction is complete. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out your cryptocurrency using Zengo on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.